In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with Microsoft Word. This is a simple workflow that can help you write faster, improve rough drafts, and organize your ideas more clearly without replacing your own input. The goal is to use AI as a helpful writing assistant and then use Microsoft Word to shape everything into a polished final document. Start by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, create a new blank document or open an existing file if you already have something started. This gives you a place to bring everything together as you work. Word is where you'll review, format, and finalize your content, so it helps to have that window ready from the beginning. Next, open ChatGPT or another AI writing tool in a separate window or browser tab. Keeping both tools open at the same time makes the process much smoother because you can move back and forth between them without losing your place. Word handles the document layout while the AI tool helps generate or improve the text. Now tell the AI what kind of content you need. Be as clear as possible here. For example, you might need an email, a report, a blog post, a meeting summary, or help turning notes into full sentences. The better your instructions, the more useful the response will be. If you already know the tone or style you want, include that too so the output fits your purpose more closely. After that, ask it to write, rewrite, summarize, or improve your draft. This is where the AI becomes especially useful. You can use it to create content from scratch, clean up messy writing, shorten something long, or make your wording more professional or more natural. If the first response is not quite right, adjust your prompt and try again until you get something you can work with. Once you have a version you like, copy the result and paste it into Word. From there, use Word's built-in tools to format the text. You can adjust headings, spacing, fonts, alignment, and other layout details so the document looks organized and easy to read. Formatting is important because it helps turn plain text into something presentable. Then edit the content so it matches your voice. This step matters a lot. Even if the AI gives you a strong draft, you should review every section and make sure it sounds like you, reflects your intent, and says exactly what you mean. Finally, save the final document. Choose a clear file name and store it somewhere easy to find so your finished work is ready whenever you need it.